So we're just outside Waterton National Park. Over there is Chief Mountain, that's on the US, the American side. And the Coots border crossing is just over that way. And that's one of the border crossings into the US from Alberta, Canada. We're headed to Waterton Lake. I've just always loved this viewpoint along the highway. So this is Waterton Lake. And there's a boat ride you can take that takes you all the way around the bend to the American side. So this is Waterton National Park, and it extends into Montana. It's a beautiful place. Right now it's like 25 degrees. We're going to get a couple of chairs and just pitch them along the shore. There's a really nice day rest. What's interesting about this is it goes from these majestic peaks, and when you pan to the left, eventually it turns into flat. Watch. And then more mountains, but back there it's quite flat. But then behind me here, there's more mountains. Maybe next time you come here we can make a drive out here. It is beautiful. There's some awesome rest areas and views. Prince of Wales Hotel is just back there with a beautiful lookout that oversees all of this from several hundred feet up. So there's the Prince of Wales Hotel, and there's a beautiful lookout point. You can see people up there. I won't zoom in, but yeah, over here is a really nice day rest area, day use. And I'll just go up to the water's edge. So where we were along that rocky beach a few minutes ago was just past that point sticking out there. So you can see that point. We were just around that bend. And I've been here in the winter and you can walk right out here. And sometimes the water level is quite low and you can walk along the shore. In fact, I've walked all the way along that portion of beach there, around that bend to the other side. You can sometimes see people out here canoeing, sailboats, windsurfing. And the day use area, I think there's at least 20 spots like this one with picnic tables, and they go all the way down that way. Wow, there's a deer came to visit me. I'm just a little further down in the day use. Hello. Hi. He's not shy. Hello. He's beautiful. Raven or a crow. Hi there. I don't have any treats for you. Hi. Hello. Hi. Wow, he's coming close. That's cool. That's neat. Yeah, there's some kayakers and windsurfers out there. And there's another little beach area. There's like a little inlet in there, just, whoop, my big finger, just over there, in behind that outcropping. There's another inlet. There's our dear friend. It's beautiful. It's still like 25. In the sun it feels like 30. And that boat there, that's the one, I think, one of them that take you on the tour around the lake. I believe that's one of them. I have seen this water so choppy on a windy day where it's splashing up over this retaining wall. Oh, that's cool. Just like Bambi. Hey? You Bambi? Sure look like Bambi. Bye-bye. Hey, psst, Bambi. Bambi. That's beautiful, hey? There we go. I wanted to get a shot of it. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen a fawn like that young. Don't get eaten.